In this episode, you'll find out how to reuse materials from used tires. In Poland, hundreds of thousands of used car tires get recycled every year. The fact that we can produce valuable products from such rubber is remarkable. In this episode, we visit a family enterprise run by two companies, Pavi Sorte and EWMET from Wolbrom in Lesser Poland. The enterprise specializes in the production of rubber goods from eco-friendly granules, obtained from recycling car tires and shock-absorbing plates. Many products can be produced this way, such as gym mats, playground flooring, railroad ties, road sign bases, and mats used for animal husbandry. Let's see this for ourselves, though. Ready? Let's go. The main raw materials used in production are granules made from used car tires, delivered by specialized suppliers and high-quality polyurethane. Apart from these, the company can collect materials from their customers. For instance, old, worn-out rubber flooring from fitness clubs. These are first cut into smaller pieces with a guillotine and then pre-shredded with a crusher. Afterwards, a knife mill is used to produce granules with a diameter ranging from 1 to 4 millimeters. The granules find use in two production technologies, cold and hot. Let's first take a peek at the first one, applied in the production of rubber blocks with a volume of 1 cubic meter. First, precisely selected tire granules undergo additional cleaning using optical sorters, which spot granules with a different color and toss them. And a gravity separation line, where any remaining contaminants are removed. Raw materials prepared this way are transferred to a buffer silo, and next, directly to a mixer, where they are mixed with the polyurethane binder in the right proportions. The mixture is poured into molds and left to season for several days. This process of polymerization ensures dimensional stability and, most importantly, consistent density, a parameter critical for professional sports and high-end industrial applications. A major logistical advantage of this method is that the company doesn't need to stock every product thickness. Instead, we store the seasoned blocks and cut them on demand into plates with a width from 2 to 50 millimeters. Meanwhile, a water jet is used to give the mat its final shape, be it squares, hexagons, or jigsaw puzzles. This technology allows for rapid prototyping and custom orders without the need for expensive, dedicated molds. One interesting option is cutting plates with integrated bevels at a maximum angle of 45 degrees. All custom formats are possible, limited only by the maximum sheet size of 108 by 108 centimeters. The second hot method is best suited for high-volume production of repetitive goods. Contrary to common belief, the hot method is significantly better at handling products with thicknesses exceeding 30 millimeters, while maintaining high densities. Just like before, a mix of rubber granules and an appropriate binder is prepared. Before the molds are filled, they are sprayed with an anti-adhesive coating. After the material is poured, it is pressed and heated. The mix undergoes cross-linking under the influence of temperature, achieving superior durability for heavy-duty items. This technology is ideal for high-volume production of rubber paving stones, Olympic weights, and infrastructure elements for the road and railway industries. What's worth noting is that the hot processing presses are based on the company's own design. They are equipped with sensors that collect real-time data on the temperature and process flow, allowing for full production optimization. In our search for strategic advantages in the competitive industry of recycled, finished products, we put our money on data. Our obsession with precision and innovation is a guarantee for our partners. A guarantee that 98.5% of the orders are packed in accordance with instructions and delivered on time. The 3 production plants of the Pavi Sorte and EWMET family enterprise can produce up to 3,000 tons of finished products a month. The company sells these in over 40 countries, across 4 continents. Modern, durable, and, first and foremost, eco-friendly.